The difference between a good repair and the great repair often lies in the final step. Watch how the final lateral row anchor completes this double row rotator cuff repair. At this stage, the medial row has already been secured with the 4 suture limbs using sliding knots, providing excellent tendon to bone compression at the medial footprint. Now we bring 4 suture limbs laterally and secure them in the lateral row anchor. This creates a knotless transosseous-equivalent construct, distributing a load evenly across the repaired tendon. As the lateral row is tensioned, tendon is compressed uniformly onto greater tuberosity, maximizing the footprint contact while minimizing the stress concentration at the single point. The final construct demonstrates the classic criss-cross suture bridge, which enhances the biomechanical stability, improves compression, and may promote better biological healing. As we secure this lateral row, you can see that we are tapping the lateral row anchor, and then we are going to rotate the screw kind of thing, and then you are seeing the criss-cross construct of completed repair. This double row suture bridge technique combines strong initial fixation, broad tendon to bone contact, allowing a robust repair while supporting early and protected rehabilitation. You can see so nicely double row repair has been completed and all the tendon to bone is in contact. Thank you.